Let me congratulate Electronics and IT Export Promotion Council for doing a commendable work, not only to promote economic activity through the exports, but I must say by adding jobs, by creating ecosystem, but I would say more importantly, becoming India's economic ambassadors. Wherever you exported your products, India's image has gone up. People now understand that India is also a technology hub. India has top class professionals which make it possible for India to enter global export market in this field. As a commerce industry minister, I very closely watch the huge progress made by this industry, but more importantly, the potential that lies in front of this industry. What we have done so far is good, but what could be done in future is far, far bigger than what we accomplished in the past. And to do that, we must have a strategy in place. I remember with all of you, I have worked very closely to draw a roadmap for future, for growth, for the benefit of you as industry, for good for the country. I am sure as we go along, we'll be able to realize the potential that lies in this industry's capabilities to the fullest extent possible. I can see the world entering an uncertain phase, a difficult phase, but that provides opportunities, particularly for you. Because when the situations get a little difficult, the companies will like to cut costs by increasing more spending on technology. They like to work on issues which will bring them more benefits by reducing the variable cost, by increasing a capex, like the one that you all will provide them. So this is a very good opportunity for all of you. As I can clearly see, India should become hub for manufacturing of hardware, that it is already becoming a very important player in the world in terms of software. If you can put both together, can you imagine the exponential growth that can happen? Some countries are good in hardware. We should be good in both hardware and software. And at the same time, we should be at a cutting edge of technology. Whether they are emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, whether they are blockchain technologies, or whether they are in Internet of Things, big data, all of that put together, added to our ability to manufacture hardware at low cost with good quality, it can become a recipe for a huge success for future. And to do that, I can clearly see you are most well equipped to do it. You are the human capital, you are the intellectual capital, and you have the entrepreneurial spirit. Just imagine a combination of all this will lead to huge growth in the sector. I represent India for G7 and G20. I clearly see the opportunities in both the groupings for technology oriented industries. I can clearly see G20, which represents 86% of global GDP, 86%, only 20 countries. And in that, I always participate in the conversation. I've been interacting with the leaders of G20 countries, and I can clearly see that where the wind is blowing, in which direction the countries and the leadership is thinking. In the G20, we have B20, the business 20. All the Fortune 500 company leaders come and make their presentation to G20. So in that, again, the B20 grouping, I've been very closely interacting with all the leaders of business, leaders of industry, leaders of technology, leaders of tomorrow's thinking. And they all talk about technology oriented industries having a bigger, better future. I'm also participating in World Economic Forum. In fact, I'm the one who represent India in that. In that, again, I can see the conversation, dialogue, ideas, which point out only to one thing, that future belongs to those who will think ahead of time, who will seize the opportunities that are now offered by a difficult situation post COVID. So, situation is challenging for whom they don't have the ability to deal with it. But situation offers opportunities for people like you. I request you, please use this, seize this opportunity with both your hands. And I think when I said both the hands, one hand technology for manufacturing, other hand software. Both hands coming together, you can imagine what it would be. So let's work on that strategy. I am always available to you anytime you need my help. I've seen the people who are working in this. I have a great regard for Mr. Kohli. There's one Kohli, Fakir Chand Kohli, who laid the foundation for software. I think Mr. Kohli, you should lay the foundation with your colleagues, you as their formidable leader. Try to work together to create a foundation for tomorrow's hardware industry. Hardware and software will be very difficult for anybody to beat us then. I think future belongs to you, future belongs to India, future belongs to those who believe and use technology effectively. All the best to you. Congratulations.